But look at this, isn't this what we pay our money for? Not just the tricks Yamal's doing. Absolutely crazy. To Manchester United. Yamal, off he goes again. Omar up with him. Clattered, free kick.
Lamine Yamal looking to test man Garcia straight away and getting the better of him. Here's Lamine.
Yeah. Koundé. Lamine Yamal beats Carreras this time.
Bit of a waste that. Lamine Yamal up against Spencer Viney. The space down the left. I mean, how much confidence has this kid got?
Too easy to turn. Oh, brilliant drop of the shoulder by Yamal. Danced his way through.
Oh, young Dexter. That's his defender. How cool is this young man?
A buscar el desmarque de Jules Koundé, se va a quedar ahí en solitario, no la puede perder, es espectacular.
Calidad.
La calidad y el valor que tiene este chaval.
Lamine Yamal. Oh, brilliant, Lamine Yamal. Fermin Lopez. Ferran Torres.
Yamal easily away from Azarov. Taking him on a second time.
Some wide margin. Thus far with 17 goals. Lamine Yamal delighting the crowd with a couple of nifty moves.
Oh, brilliant from Lamine Yamal. Oh, off he goes. This is wonderful. Magical. From the 16-year-old.
Acá el pelotazo, el cambio buenísimo para Yamal que la baja. Insiste, va Yamal con la pelota. Tira así.
Goal that currently separates the two sides. Lamine Yamal, and still wonderful play, and across it goes, and Barcelona have the lead. The sensational 17-year-old Lamine Yamal.
Lo va a intentar nuevamente Lamine Yamal, le tira un caño, se le va, se va hacia la línea de fondo, se recorta, aguantó, tiene más,
Es un espectáculo verle jugar.
todas las salidas del mundo.
He had to get across sharpish there to close things down. Wonderful feat. Yamal again. He can contribute and get him out there. Yamal delightful away from Mkhitaryan. He's danced away from Barella, and he nearly threaded it into Dani Olmo. How do you understand that a 17-year-old can just dance around experienced top-class defenders like him too?
Yamal, oh, brilliant! Magical by Yamal. On hand now to be fed from Lewandowski, checks back on the inside, goes again. Yamal twisting, turning.
Lamine Yamal. Wonderful trickery.
Yamal must score surely, and does. Less than 5 minutes in, and it's the 16-year-old Barcelona wonder boy.
How about that from Yamal? Oh my word.
No. What for true?
I mean, some of the football tonight has been spectacular, not more so than that.
Tell you what, somebody as well.
We're looking to be a little bit lost. That is because Oriol Romeu is not anymore on the pitch. He has support. He's also got the ability to go solo here. Past one. He wants to score himself, doesn't he? Oh, he passes on to Rafinha. Rule that one out.
Davies on the touchline.
More trickery from Lamine Yamal. Lamine Yamal. Oh, skips away from his man. Still going here.
Vamos para Koundé, Koundé por abajo, la descarga es rápida por parte de Lamine Yamal. Aparece
Lamine Yamal. He's got clear of one, he's got clear of two, takes a tumble. He skips clear of Wendell's challenge.
This was in the right place there. Lamine Yamal. Yamal. Yeah, I don't think it's...
About the opposition having to exploit that. It's not happened yet, but the gaps are certainly there.
Oh, that was silky, wasn't it, from Lamine Yamal?
goal-scoring season for Barcelona.
Se le pone las piernas. Balón arriba, la sacó Casado. Bueno, lo que acaba de hacer la piña.
Here's Yamal. Little flick.
Into Yamal. Away from Di Marco. It's brilliant play from Lamine Yamal. And now it's with Morata. And the angle was going to...
Important touch to that. Lamine Yamal gets on the ball again here. And somebody has come out to meet him. Oh, lovely play by Lamine Yamal.
Today, running into Lamine Yamal, but he's kept his composure, kept the ball. Now he sets off and skips away from Mkhitaryan. Oh, that's brilliant! That is brilliant! He was made for this! He was built for this stage! Lamine Yamal produces something of the Lionel Messi glory days!
Pedri arriving. This is Lamine. Lamine's cross looks a good one! What a save that is from Connell.
Back. Bringing out the party tricks. Off the ball this time. And Yamal striding forward. Young boys are fifth defeated on Spanish soil in a row. Here's Yamal.
El cambio que va a hacer ahora en la anterior ventana. Ahí va Lamine Yamal ahora por la izquierda. Se va hacia la línea de fondo. Vuelve a recortar. Cae. Dice el colegiado que no.
Loose from Thomas. Yamal receives Bastoni. Puts an arm across it. Just need to slow them down. This man doesn't.
Gets through there to Ferran Torres. Yamal. Rafinha's, well, he thought Rafinha straight offside, I think. In the end, he's fumbled over.
Yamal, brilliant. Away from Augusto, Bastoni will try and cover him.
Vinicius looking to turn Lamine Yamal, slipping at the wrong moment, and Lamine looks as if he's going to get away, and that's...
Dean Howson again. Terrific ball for Lamine. Lamine Yamal! That is a sublime goal! The young talents of Spain step forward in extra time.
Absolutely skims Di Marco! He's hit the goal! Oh, he's hit the frame of the goal!
That was unbelievable. Di Marco near going to take it and get back in. That was a skill there. That is absolutely fantastic.
Does weave through two, and is he fouled? Referee says the ball was won.
Let Martinez deal with it himself. Look at that there from Lamine Yamal. Brilliant play. He's away from Alphonso Davies.
Yamal turns. Charmalu hasn't got a clue where he's on.
Lewandowski nipping in and taking it off the toe of Davies. And now Lamine Yamal. Yamal. Drag back spins. Dummies.
Ahora Fermín ha jugado con Lamine, una jugada que arrancó en balde. Uy, Lamine en la jugada.
Goal in that first leg, here's Di Marco, but Lamine Yamal defends him. Looks to scoot away from the wing back.
Casa.
Prometido a Pepe contra Araujo. Ahí viene ya Lamine que se va a llevar el balón. Atención que son 3 para 3. Robert Lewandowski por el centro.
The Champions League semi-final has now become a training session for the 17-year-old.
In the first leg after Koundé's injury.
To the young boys, De Bruyne. Yamal, little drag back up through the gears.
Morata to Lamine Yamal. Loves to cut in from this right.
Problemas técnicos. El control orientado, el pase ahí en el pecho. Ahí va Lamine Yamal, la devolución de Lewandowski.
On the far side, Yamal, Joe Koundé, the
Curing post doesn't get there. Lamine Yamal picks up the pieces, and off he goes. And off go Barca. An injury exposed back here.
Yamal. Oh, brilliant. Trying to shrug off Elschnitt. A U-turn since the Germans taken over as head coach.